Short sale agent and default advocate discusses FHA short sale process. Hey, short sale agent, default advocate, distressed property expert, and short sale specialist Mike Wrigley here, bringing you the latest short sale information. Thank you for joining us. Let's talk about FHA short sales. FHA is a weird duck for short sales, to say the least. I'm telling you. The technical term for an FHA short sale is PFS, or Pre-Foreclosure Sale Program. And because it's a government program, the level of detail required is beyond ridiculous. Anyway, what else would you expect? So, what is required to qualify for an FHA short sale, or PFS? That part's easy to answer. The sale must be an arm's length transaction, meaning you cannot sell the property to a family member or close friends. With very few exceptions, the property must be owner-occupied, and no strategic defaults, walkaways, or investment properties are allowed. The mortgagor must be 31 days delinquent at the close of escrow, but should never be encouraged to default on a loan. Now, tell me how that makes sense, but alright, okay. Anyway, the mortgagor must provide documentation sustaining a reduction in income or an increase in living expenses, and documentation they must vacate the property. The maximum the mortgagor can receive on relocation assistance is $1,000, and FHA will only allow a 1% credit for the buyer's closing costs if it's a new FHA loan. So, pretty much different from a traditional short sale. And FHA will also only pay up to $1,500 to clear a second lien, where most other short sales will cover 6%, give or take. Now, if the mortgagor is deemed eligible for the FHA short sale, an authorization to participate, or ATP, as it's more commonly referred to, will be issued detailing the terms of the short sale, including the minimum net the servicer can accept. Now, is a short sale right for you? To get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me today for the latest short sale information. Call me today, sleep better tonight, you'll be glad you did, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.